In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed files on Google Sites. Whether you're setting up a classroom page, a company site, or a personal project, knowing how to embed documents can really enhance the way your information is presented and accessed. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together, step by step. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to your Google site where you want this document to appear. Once you've opened your site, you'll notice a range of options on the right side of your screen designed to help you customize the look and feel of your page. You'll see options like pages, themes, and most importantly for us today, insert. This insert section is where we'll focus our attention. Within the Insert tab, you'll find a variety of options from adding text boxes and images to inserting forms, and even YouTube videos. What we're particularly interested in is embedding files from Google Drive. Look for the small familiar Google Drive icon there. Clicking on this icon will open a direct link to your drive, and this is where the embedding magic begins. Now you'll be faced with your Google Drive. Here the goal is to browse through your files and locate the specific file you want to embed. Take your time scrolling through or use the search bar if you have a particularly large collection of files. Once you've found the right document, make sure it's the version you're ready to share. This step is crucial because you'll be embedding a live document that will update with any changes you make on your drive. Once you've selected the file, you'll notice an Insert button. Go ahead and click it. Doing this takes the document from your Google Drive and places it directly on your Google site. The document will appear just as you expect, embedded neatly into your page, where your visitors can not only view it, but if appropriate, interact with it as well. From here you have the option to resize the embedded document and position it on your page to fit your design aesthetic. Simply click and drag the edges of the file to adjust its size and drag it around to the perfect spot on your site. Remember, a well-organized site enhances user experience significantly, so take a moment to consider how everything looks and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it, embedding files on Google Sites is as simple as that. With a few clicks, you can enhance your site's functionality and provide easy access to important documents for your users. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident in using Google Sites for your needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding.